Hi everyone, here's a quick update about a new rule that affects how we upload photos to the MLS. Starting January 1st, 2026, a new California law, AB 723, goes into effect. This law defines what counts as a digitally altered image in real estate advertising. It also requires agents and brokers to clearly disclose when a photo has been digitally changed. This includes things like removing power lines, adding or changing furniture, enhancing landscaping, changing paint colors, altering the sky, lighting, or surroundings. Basically, if the modification changes how the property looks, it needs a disclosure. Because photos are an essential part of the MLS, we need to make sure we comply with the new law. That means you'll be required to identify any digitally altered photos when you upload them. We're currently working with our MLS vendor and the Rules and Compliance Committee to finalize the workflow. This may include a checkbox or label for altered images, clear guidance on what qualifies as digitally altered, a requirement to also include the original unaltered photo. As soon as everything is finalized, we'll send out step-by-step instructions. We know this is a big change, and we're focused on making compliance simple. Over the next few weeks, you'll get more details, reminders, and support resources. We're coordinating with our vendor and MLS partners to make this rollout as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. More information is coming soon. Stay tuned.